Hi there, this is Nick Millington, leader of the Safety Task Force. I'd like to take just a couple of minutes of your time every now and again and start sharing some safety moments. I'm conscious in the role that I play leading the Network Rail Safety Task Force, I get to see quite a lot of analysis and useful information that I believe will help others in the railway industry be safer. So here is my first safety moment. It's on-track plant safety. On-track plant is vitally important. We use it to maintain, renew and enhance our railway. But it's very important that we plan and use this heavy equipment in the safest possible way. So thank you for paying attention for the next couple of minutes during the safety moment.
This graph shows the significant safety incident frequency rate involving on-track plant. And you can see over the last 12 months, this trend has deteriorated. When I say significant safety event, I mean an event that either did or could have damaged people, infrastructure or plant. And when you look at these events a little more closely, there are some really good opportunities for us to be safer in the future. On some of these events, it was difficult to tell how the significant risks were identified in the planning stage and the plan created to prevent those risks. So a really sharp focus on risk in the planning stage is really important. Another cluster involved short notice changes to the plan. So again, another opportunity. If you need to change your plan at short notice, make sure you do it in a structured and controlled way. Another focus area must be communications. On some of these events, it was not clear what the plan for communication was. So I'd ask of everyone in the planning stage, make sure you've got a really clear documented communications plan and that everyone sticks to it. Another area to focus on will be transits. On some of these events, it was difficult to see what the plan was for on and off tracking, transiting from the access point to the site of work and then back again. So a really clear, concise plan with enough time in it to get the plant to and from the site. And finally, another focus area must be supporting our people. How do we support our engineering supervisors, our POS reps, our machine operators, our machine controllers, making the safest possible decisions at all time? A real focus area must be to support our people to make safe decisions at all times. I just wanted to draw your attention to a recent trial that's been undertaken. I'm sure you will all be well aware of the life-saving rule relating to exclusion zones. Recently, over 2 52-hour weekends, the fleet of machinery that was deployed to that site was fitted with sensing equipment so that we could identify if there were any infringements of the agreed and briefed exclusion zone. Not including the machine controllers, over 100 hours, there were 1,000 infringements of the agreed exclusion zone by other people working on that site. Now, I'm sure you all agree this presents a significant risk, and I'll ask you to think really long and hard about what more we can do to keep people and plant separated. And whilst the previous slides focused on on-track plant safety, we mustn't forget that all plant presents a safety risk. You can see in these safety alerts here, one involved a trolley being left on the line and it was hit by a train at 123 miles per hour. Lethally dangerous. Another, we were delivering plant with a lorry and the outrigger was too close to the ballast shoulder and the train struck the outrigger. So again, a real focus on making sure that every aspect of plant use is safe from the point where it's delivered, where it's used, where it's recovered and where it leaves the railway infrastructure.
I hope my safety moment was useful for you. I would appreciate it if you have got colleagues and contacts that plan engineering work on the railway, deliver engineering work or use heavy plant in a railway context. Please share this safety moment with them and I hope it will be of value to them too. I would also appreciate feedback on the style of this update and also further suggestions on content for future safety moments. Thanks ever so much.